Hey everyone, how's it going? So I know there's been a lot of talk about the new addition of Kong and Godzilla into the Call of Duty game. So I thought it would be fun to show you how to draw a kind of face-off of Kong and Godzilla from the new Call of Duty game. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Godzilla vs. Kong from the new Call of Duty map, let's begin with Kong. So I'm going to start right up here, and I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's just going to come down, and we're going to come back like this. Next, we're going to make a little line that's going to curve up for the eye. And I'm going to add a couple little lines right underneath there. I'm going to add a couple more little lines right there. I'm going to make a line that's going to go out, it's going to come up, and then back. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go up. It's going to curve around and down. And we're going to make a little line that's going to curve down. Make a little line that's going to come up and down. And another one's going to come down and then back around. Little line's going to come up and then back down for his nose. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down and in just a little bit. We're going to make a line that's going to come out and down here for his mouth. And we're going to curve it up a little bit. Make a line that's going to come down and back, and we're going to bring it up a little bit. Right here, we're going to make a line that's going to come down and up for his teeth. And we're going to make a couple little small teeth here. And we're going to make his other big fang right back here. Right here, we're going to make a line that's going to come up and down. We're going to put a couple small teeth in here, and we're going to make another one that's going to go up and down. Line that curves up and down, and the same thing here for the tongue. Next, we're going to bring this line back around here. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down to like a few points, and then we're going to bring it up. Starting here, we're going to bring this line up, and I'm going to make these kind of pointed little lines on here, show the back of his head. We're going to bring this line in just a little bit. And we're going to draw a line that's going to come out and then back in like this. And we're going to bring this down to here. Make another little kind of line that curves around. We're going to make a line that's going to come down and then in. Another one here. And we're going to bring this line up here to kind of form the jaw. Starting here, we're going to bring some little jagged lines right here for the neck. And then we're going to bring a line that's going to come down and then in for the chest. And a little line down here. Next, we're going to just kind of make some jagged lines that come right over to here. We'll add a little line right here. And then right here, I want to add his fist, like he's getting ready to swing at Godzilla. So starting right about here, we're going to bring some pointed lines right here. We'll make a line that's going to come out. We're going to go down like this, and we're going to bring it up. And we're going to bring it down back like this for his thumb. Right up here, we're going to go out. We're going to come down like this and around. Make another one that's going to kind of go down and around here. One more here. And then a smaller one right here for like where his pinky would be. We're going to curve this line up and then bring it back here. Now over here we want to make Godzilla. Now to start off with Godzilla, we're going to kind of line him up here. He's going to be lower than Kong. We kind of want his mouth more towards where Kong's fist is going to be. So I'm going to start right here, and we're going to draw a line that's going to go down, and then we're going to bring it back. We're going to bring a line that's going to come down and up here. We're going to add a couple little lines right underneath there. Bring this line over and then up. I'm going to bring this line back, and we're going to take it all the way back here and then in. Right here, we're going to make a line come out, and then it's going to go down where his nose is going to be. And we'll draw another little line right here. We'll make this line come out a little bit, and then we're going to curve this down. We're going to go down and then up like this, and back down. Starting here, we're going to come down, and we're going to bring this out. We're going to come down, and we're going to go up and in. We're going to add a little line down for the back of the mouth. And then we're going to add kind of these sharp, jagged teeth. They're spread out a little bit more. And then we're also going to draw a little line that's going to come down so we can kind of see the other side of Godzilla's mouth. We're going to draw a line that's going to come out and then down for his tongue. Then we're going to bring this line down. Then we're going to put some more of those sharp, jagged teeth on here. And we're going to put some more on this side too. Starting here, I'm going to bring this line up and back. I'm going to bring it down with a couple more little lines. Then I'm going to bring this line down and then up towards here. Bring a couple more going up here as well. Let's draw a couple little broken lines up here. A couple more right here, and then a couple little lines right here. Next, I'm going to make a little line that's going to come out and back. I'm going to repeat this quite a few times just to kind of add some of those spikes and texture onto Godzilla. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down and up, and I'm going to do this all the way down. I'm going to go down and up, and making it kind of come to a point so that we can kind of see where all that texture is on him. I'm going to bring this line up here just to kind of shape out where the side of his face is going to be. I'm going to make some kind of long, broken lines coming down here just to show where there's some texture. And I'm going to curve some of these lines up a little bit to kind of shape out the body. I'm going to bring these lines down a little bit, and I'm going to put them right in between these little bumpy lines that I made. Just show where there's some scale patterns. Bring this line down here, and then make a couple more little detailed lines over here. And do a couple more little lines kind of right around here on the top. Now for the spikes or dorsal fins, I'm going to put a small little pointed one right here. We're going to make them get a little bit pointed here, and then we're going to start making them get a little bit more jagged as we come back here. I'm also going to add some few little broken lines on here. Not much, because when I color this in, I'm going to add some of that glowing effect on here, like he's getting ready to blast Kong. We can also add some little lines here. And a few more little lines right around here and by the eye. Now on Kong, I'm just going to add a couple little broken lines right by the mouth. A couple lines here. And a few more little lines kind of right around here. I'm going to add a couple little lines coming right around the side of the face. We'll add a little line for a thumb, and I like to add some small lines on here just to kind of show where the knuckles and everything are. I'm going to add a little line here. And a few more little just texture lines right along here as well. And there you go. There is a kind of close-up view from the new Godzilla vs. Kong in the Call of Duty map. Now, I definitely want to draw some more of these and even make the whole full body scenes, but I thought it'd be fun to start off with maybe something kind of close-up. But there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.